हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हाउ आर यू? आई होप आर यू डूइंग वेल। तो फ्रेंड्स, मुझे 2-3 जन ने कमेंट किया था इंस्टाग्राम पे कि फिज़िक्स ग्रुप 2 जो है डिप्लोमा इंजीनियरिंग में, तो उसके रिगार्डिंग कुछ आईएमपी क्वेश्चंस हो तो सेंड करो। तो फ्रेंड्स, मेरे पास ये जो 6 पेजेस की पीडीएफ है, सो उसमें कुल 57 क्वेश्चंस है। सो फ्रेंड्स, आपको ये चाहिए तो आप इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो, या तो फिर अगर आप लिख रहे हो तो बहुत बढ़िया है, ठीक है। तो मैं बोलता जाता हूँ और आप वैसे लिखते जाओ, या तो फिर अगर आप स्क्रीनशॉट पढ़ रहे हो तो वो भी ठीक है। आप अपने हिसाब से देख लो। सो क्वेश्चन 1 जो है वो है एक्सप्लेन एब्जॉर्प्शन, स्पॉन्टेनियस एमिशंस एंड सिमुलेटेड एमिशन इन सेमी कंडक्टर्स विथ प्रॉपर डायग्राम्स, ठीक है। क्वेश्चन 2 है वो राइट डाउन एन एक्सप्रेशन फॉर द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ occupancy of a particular energy state of an electron in an intrinsic semiconductor. Explain from the graph at 0 Kelvin and at room temperature. Third question is explain photovoltaic effect and derive an expression for photovoltage. Question 4 is write down various properties of superconductors. Question 5 जो है वो है explain construction and working of a solar cell by proper diagrams and IV characteristics. Explain UV VIS spectroscopy and how to find energy band gap of a material from this technique. Question 7 is at zero magnetic field a superconducting tin has a critical temperature of 3.7 Kelvin at 0 Kelvin. Critical magnetic field is 0.36, 0.306 temperature. Calculate the critical magnetic field at 2 Kelvin. Question number 8 is write down the applications of superconductors. Question 9 is explain. 1 is type 1 and type 2 superconductors. B is low T and high TC superconductors. C is quits and its application. Question 10 is explain photovoltaic effect with required diagrams. Discuss construction and working of solar cell. Question 11 discuss Fermi-Golden rule. Question 12 derive an equation of joint density of states. Explain Drude model. Write a short note on exciton. Question 50 define Hall effect. Give its physical significance. Question 16 2.0 cm wide and 1 mm thick copper strip is placed in a magnetic field 1.5 Wb by m2 m meter square perpendicular to the strip. Suppose a current of 20 ampere is set up in the strip. What will be the Hall potential approved across the strip? N is equal to n 8.4 into 10 to 8 electrons per meter cube. Question 17 discuss UV-VIS method for band gap measurement of semiconductor. Explain 4 probe method. Derive an equation to calculate resistivity of a thin sample. The transmitted intensity is 0.4 times intensity of incident light. If this light is incident on a semiconductor having a thickness of 0.5 cm, then find absorption coefficient. Write short note krypton. Explain London's penetration depth. Give the difference between type 1 and type 2 superconductors. Write short note on squid. Calculate critical current for a superconducting wire of lead having a diameter 2 mm into 2 mm at 2 Kelvin. Critical temperature for lead is 4 Kelvin and Hc equal to 6.5 into 10 raised to 4 ampere per meter. Explain the properties of superconductors in details. Explain mechanism of superconductivity. What is photovoltaic effect? Explain construction and working of solar cell. Explain properties of superconductors. What are hot probes method? Define superconductivity and critical temperature. Explain emission and absorption. Explain experimental procedure for DLTS. The critical temperature of NB is 9.50 Kelvin at 0 Kelvin. The critical field is 0.196 temperature. Calculate the critical field at 6 Kelvin. Discuss Fermi-Golden rule. Explain rule model. Why two probes method for resistivity measured fail and hence explain for probes method. Derive expression of electron concentration in conduction band. Discuss UV-VIS method for band gap measurement of semiconductors. Give formation and application of squills. What is photoconductivity? Photoluminescence, proto transistor. Calculate the energy graph of SI. SI यानी कि सिलिकॉन हो सकता है. Give the radiation of wavelength 11,000 angstrom is incident on it. Also find LO wavelength for GE with energy gap 0.9 eV. Define Hall effect and Hall coefficient. Derive equation to find Hall voltage. What does it signify? Difference between soft and hard superconductors. What is London penetration depth? Derive its equation. The critical current density equal to 1.71 into 10 raised to 8 ampere per meter square is required to change in superconducting wire of radius 0.5 mm at 4.2 Kelvin. If the critical temperature of the material is 7.18 Kelvin, calculate the maximum value of the critical magnetic field. Explain BCS theory for superconductivity. Write a note on metal semiconductor junctions. Give details of application of solar cell. What is radiative and non-radiative transistors? Explain in brief the optical joints density of states. What is deep level transient spectroscopy DLTS? Give its experimental procedure. Discuss the technique to obtain band gap by UV-VIS spectroscopy using absorption or transmission. What are capacitance voltage measurement? Discuss Warder-Puom method. What is the causes and remedy for optical loss in photovoltaic cell? Consider N-type silicon semiconductor with a length of 100 micrometer, cross-sectional area 10 raised to 7 centimeter square, minority charges, carrier lifetime 10 6s micron, E is 0.30 meter square, Vs and micron, H is 0.05 meter square. Versus find electron transient time photoconductor gain when voltage applied to thermoconductor applied to the photoconductors is 12 volt. State principle and discuss working of semiconductor laser. What is photovoltaic effect? Explain construction and working of solar cell with a suitable diagram. तो फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको किसी क्वेश्चंस के आंसर नहीं मिलते तो आप यूट्यूब या तो फिर गूगल के माध्यम से आप इसको डाउनलोड कर सकते हो क्वेश्चन को, और अपने हिसाब से अपने आप की एक नोट बनाओ और उसमें ये आंसर्स लिखो, ताकि आप जब रिवीजन करें तो आपको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बुक खोलने की ज़रूरत ना पड़े, क्योंकि बुक में जो है वो बहुत ही डेरिवेशन बहुत लंबा रहता है, तो आपको शायद दिक्कत हो सकती है। उससे अच्छा है कि आप अपनी छोटी सी बुक बनाओ जिसमें अपनी हैंड राइटिंग्स हो। ओके, तो कौन कौन हैंड राइटिंग्स अपने हिसाब से करता है मुझे कमेंट में जाके ज़रूर बताना। अगर आप मेरे चैनल में नए हो तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करो। ओके देन, बाय बाय। आप मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे भी फॉलो कर सकते हो।